Hi guys, my name is Mohammad Shehzad and today we are going to start another video which is very interesting and today we are going to install Kali Linux 2020. Yes, Kali Linux. The guys who is related to cybersecurity, they know that they definitely know that Kali Linux is how important for them. So we can do penetration testing, we can find out the loopholes in the networks, in the servers, and whatever you want to do test on any device. Okay, so let's go. We will start installation today. So first, whenever you go to download, some guys don't know the official is kalilinux.org, but the best way is just type download Kali Linux and then it will bring you to the official page, which is kali.org. So when you click here, and it will bring you to the download mirrors. So here is the Kali Linux download, and you can download. Here is the separate images you can download. I did a live image, so it's giving us live and as well as the graphic installation. So same one is doing this one, and some VMware tools also, the VMware image is also available, so you can download. Okay, let's go our vCenter and we'll start the installation. I have chosen this my server to install the Kali Linux on this. I have old Kali Linux for my practice, 2008 I installed 1 years back, but this is 2020. I'm gonna install a new one. So what you need to do, because during the installation you need a live mirror to go on the internet, install some packages. So what I did here in this, I went to the configuration, and on my switches I have one adapter, free adapter, which was 3. So I use this one and create a new virtual switch with this, and I have connected this cable direct to my internet router. So the machines will be on this one, will go direct to the, sorry, it's on third one. So the machines on this virtual machines on this switch with the internet to VLAN, so they will automatically took the IP from take the IP from DSCP router DSCP from my Wi-Fi, and they are on to go to internet. So okay, let's create a machine. I will go and create one machine here. Second thing, after doing this setup, you must have to have a Kali Linux iOS, and I have already Kali Linux iOS uploaded to my data store. So which one I will use for installation? If you go on so I have here Kali Linux 2020 live. Okay, this one. So let's go and start the creating a machine. We'll right click and create a new virtual machine. Okay, we'll say Kali 2020 test 1, and definitely we need it in our virtual machines. Next. Yes, the compatibility check succeeded. Next. Okay, so which data store? I will use my this one. I have 201 GB free here. Next. Yes, I will use as a Linux, and I will use like others 64-bit. Okay, next. So I'll choose 4 CPUs, and I'm gonna use my 4 GB RAM. I have enough resources, and I will go for 80 GB hard disk. So okay, so go next, and definitely I will choose internet too, because this is going to internet side. Next, finish. Okay, so after a little it will be completed 100%. Okay, so we'll come back. Here is our Kali test. So I will mount the image which I have downloaded from website, Kali Linux website. I will go right click, edit settings, and I will go in my CD drive here, image data store. Okay, so we have a Kali Linux here live. Okay, and select connect at power on. Okay. Okay, it's mounted. Let's the power on the machine. Okay, I'll click. Here we go. So you can run a live as well as you can live USB distance and other things, but I will go graphic install on my local drive. So I will choose this one and hit enter. Okay, so select language. Yes, English. Select your location. Okay, so our location is others. It's not here. Next is Asia. Continue, and it's United Arab Emirates. Here. Continue. Okay, configure our locals. Okay, no issues. We'll go same with the United States. English, yes. Keyboard. Now it's mounting and detecting the additional things to be loaded on to take off. Okay. Loading the installer component, the mounted media which we have given to our CD drive. Okay, network automatically detected. See, that's because our cable is connected to internet. Otherwise you have to give a manual. See, took it from DHCP. Okay, host name Kali VMT1. Okay. Continue. Domain name homelab.local. Continue. Okay, first user full name. I'll give my name and this one is my user account and give the passwords. Okay, continue. Okay, detecting the disk. Partitioning the disk. But we'll do our own partition. I will go for manual because I want to make one primary, one logical for swap. Continue. Okay, which one? Okay, this one. Create a new partition tier for this device. Yes. Okay. This one. Create a partition. Yeah. Okay, we have total this one. So I will use 75 GB for my primary. Yes, primary. Okay. Now we have done with the primary. I'll go continue for next one. I have free space. I'll make it swap. Continue. Create a partition. Useful space. Logical. Okay. Continue. Make a swap area. Continue and done with the partition. Okay. Finish and write to the disk. Continue. Okay, wanna changes to the drive disks? Yes, we have made these partitions and yes, make it change. Continue. Okay, it's formatting and making ready for installation. so it will take time to install the system. Meanwhile, I will pause my video, and when it's done and ready for the next screen, I'll share with you guys. Okay, so after the installing packages, it will come here to use a network mirror. Yes, that's why we connected our internet cable. So I will choose yes and continue. Okay, no need because automatically detected the IP address. Okay, retrieving the files, 11 of 13. Configuring the package manager. Bootloader. Okay, asking install a grub bootloader. Yes. Yeah, we'll choose our one disk to boot from our disk, which we already have given to this virtual device. Okay, it's need to finish the installation. Just wait. It will take a little time to complete the install the VM tools. Okay, meanwhile I will pause the video, and when it's completed I'll come back. Okay guys, after finishing, it's came on like finish the installation. We'll go continue. Now it will remove the media from our CD, and then after restart it will boot from the disk, our virtual machine disk. Taking time. And mounting the file system, and that's it. So it's restarted, and here we go. This is our Kali Linux. It's loading. So that was the installation of Kali Linux. Hope you guys like it, and if you like my videos, just click on like, and second, do not forget to subscribe, and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos, because we are going to do penetration testing also on this Kali Linux. So thank you very much. Take care, stay home, stay safe.